Lo mphakathi yolimayo waseMidvaal ungezinye zeindawo ezithwele kanzima ngenxa yomthelela wohlelo lokucishakonga ugesi.
We're very concerned about what's happening in the area with regards to the water quality as a result of pollution which has been caused by load shedding primarily and overcapacitated water treatment works.
Umnikazi waleli plaza elingamahektha angu-112 usale ngenamali ngenxa yokungahlinzekwa ngeinsiza zikahulumeni kanye nomthelela wokucishwa kogesi.
If I'm going to go under liquidation, everything is going to be sold and be taken out under my feet, and all the people that we've had working for us also sit with nothing.
Amanzi asetshenziswa lapha asengcolile ngenxa yohlelo lokucishakonga ugesi kanti angena nasemfuleni iClip River nalapho sekufe khona neinhlanzi. I-AGRISA ithi ikhathazekile ngokuthi uma uhlelo lokucishakonga ugesi liqhubeka ngalendlela lokhu kuyoba nomthelela emikhiqizweni wokudla.
Farmers face huge challenges when it comes to irrigation, or when it comes to security on the farm, or when it comes to maintaining even biosecurity on farms, because you need electricity to drive many of the systems. On the processing side, your agricultural processors have serious challenges because they need electricity to process poultry, to process meat, to process the grains, and to keep fruit in cold storage facilities. So all of these challenges at the end of the day impacts on the financial sustainability.
Umthelela wohlelo lokucishakonga ugesi emkhakheni wezolimo kuzobhungwa ngawo engqungqutheleni ye-AGRISA kuleli sonto lapho umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ezokwethula khona inkulumo. Ize inkulumo kaMengameli izokwethulwa ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi Growing Local. I-AGRISA ithi uhlelo lokucishakonga ugesi lukwenza kube nzima ukufeza izifiso zikaMengameli zokwakha amathuba emisebenzi kanye nokudlondlobalisa umnotho.